welcome to this month's Ask the CFP segment. This month's question is, does timing the market work? The shorter answer to this question is, it depends. First, a quick lesson on something called loss aversion. The human brain is the original supercomputer and capable of complex calculations. Although we have this amazing tool on our shoulders, we're also wired to make decisions based on our emotions. A 1979 study in the journal Econometrica found that people were more likely to prefer avoiding losses than targeting gains. For example, people tend to prefer avoiding a $100 loss than targeting a $100 gain. In other words, dropping a $100 bottle of wine causes us more pain than receiving the gift of a $100 bottle of wine brings us happiness. Losses weigh heavier on us than gains bring pleasure, even when the values are exactly the same. So how does this relate to market timing? The thought of losing money can cause us to ignore logic and focus on emotional decisions. In the last quarter of 2018, the U.S. stock markets experienced a sharp drop. At the time, it felt like this could be the start of the next recession. Then the markets rebounded sharply the very next quarter and fully recovered. If someone sold out of their investments as the markets were declining, it would have been very difficult to determine when to go back in, especially if the daily news is negative. Therefore, I generally recommend something called rebalancing. Rebalancing a portfolio based on how various investments perform means you may be selling bonds to buy more stock when the stock market has declined. I don't consider it timing the markets because it's part of a disciplined strategy and not based on emotions. I could make an entire video on rebalancing, so to keep this brief, just remember that timing the market based on emotions is dangerous and something I personally completely avoid. Instead, I use disciplined strategies over time to take advantage of movements in the markets. If you have a question about these strategies or have a question for next month's video, please send it to tfreeman@monetagroup.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.